Hello, today we will guide you through how to move labels in Gmail. To begin, open Gmail and make sure you are on your inbox page. This is where you will see your list of emails in the center of the screen and your labels in the left-hand sidebar. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so your labels are visible. Taking a moment to clearly locate both the label area and the email list will make the next action much easier. Once you are in the inbox, look over to the left corner of the screen where your labels are listed. Find the label you want to move. In this example, it is a sample label, but you can use the same method for any label in your Gmail account. When you have found it, click and hold the label with your mouse. Be sure to keep the mouse button pressed down, because this is what allows you to drag the label to a new location. As you continue holding the label, drag it toward the email area. Move it carefully over the sample email shown in your inbox. This action applies the label to that email by dropping the label onto it. If you move too quickly or let go too soon, the label may not attach, so it helps to drag slowly and watch for the visual cue that shows Gmail is ready to place the label on the message. After you release the mouse button, Gmail should apply the label to the email. This is a quick and convenient way to organize messages without opening them first. It can be especially helpful when you are sorting a busy inbox and want to group related emails right from the main screen. If you do not see the label appear right away, give Gmail a second to update. You can also click on the email afterward to confirm that the label has been added. If needed, repeat the same process with other emails to keep your inbox better organized. That's all there is to it. By going to your inbox, clicking and holding a label from the left sidebar, and dragging it onto an email, you can quickly manage your Gmail labels in just a few seconds. This simple drag and drop method is an easy way to stay organized and keep important messages grouped exactly where you want them.